I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying Apple Pay is active with an eligible card and correct billing address. This prevents payment rejections. Next, pick a brokerage that explicitly accepts Apple Pay, not all do, and open an account. When opening, provide ID, your SSN, and link the same card or bank you use with Apple Pay. Once done, enable two-factor authentication for security. Make sure deposits limits and verification timelines are clear so your first transfer goes through without delay. You now fund the brokerage. Select Deposit, choose Apple Pay, and authorize the payment via Face ID or Touch ID. Instant funding posts faster but may incur a fee. ACH takes 1 to 3 business days. Once the deposit confirms, navigate to the stock ticker and decide how you'll buy. Market order for immediate execution, limit order to control price, or fractional shares if price is high. Confirm quantity and total cost. Then swipe or tap to submit. Watch the confirmation screen for trade ID and status. Finish by confirming the trade executed. Check your updated balance, holdings, and transaction history for a trade ID. If the purchase didn't complete, first verify your Apple Pay card isn't expired and billing info matches your brokerage account. Next, ensure the broker supports Apple Pay and that you authorize the payment with Face ID or Touch ID. If funds cleared but no position appears, contact brokerage support with the payment and trade ID. Keep screenshots and timestamps to speed resolution and avoid repeated charges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.